Benefix Kit is a medication used to prevent or control bleeding in people with little or no factor IX, which is a protein in the blood that helps the blood clot and stop bleeding. This medication is specifically for those with hemophilia B, also known as Christmas disease. People with little or no factor IX are at risk for bleeding longer after an injury or surgery, and they may also experience sudden bleeding in the joints or muscles without an obvious cause. It's important to note that Benefix Kit should not be used to treat other types of factor deficiencies or problems, to reverse the effects of blood thinners, or to treat bleeding from low levels of liver-dependent clotting factors due to liver problems. Before you start using Benefix Kit, make sure to read the patient information leaflet from your pharmacist. This medication is given by injection into a vein over several minutes as directed by your doctor. The dosage is based on your medical condition, weight, and response to treatment. If you are giving this medication to yourself at home, make sure to learn all the preparation and usage instructions from your healthcare professional. Always check the product visually for particles or discoloration before using it and learn how to store and discard medical supplies safely. The medication in the vial and the supplies that come with the medication should be used only once and should not be reused. It is also important to limit the amount of blood entering the tubing and to avoid letting any blood enter the syringe. Make sure to consult your pharmacist for details if this occurs. And finally, tell your doctor if your condition lasts or gets worse. Some common side effects of Benefix Kit may include fever, pain at the injection site, chills, headache, flushing, weakness, nausea, or vomiting. It's important to remember that your doctor has prescribed this medication because they believe the benefits outweigh the risks of these side effects. Most people using this medication do not experience serious side effects, but you should contact your doctor if you notice any swelling at the injection site, shortness of breath, fast heartbeat, signs of kidney problems, swelling of the ankles or feet, pain/redness/swelling of arms or legs, or new or increased bleeding/bruising. In rare cases, a serious allergic reaction may occur, so seek medical help right away if you notice any symptoms such as rash, itching/swelling, especially of the face/tongue/throat, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing. This is not a complete list of possible side effects, so be sure to contact your doctor or pharmacist if you notice any other effects. And as always, if you have any concerns about the side effects of Benefix Kit, don't hesitate to reach out to your doctor for medical advice. Before starting Benefix Kit, make sure to inform your doctor or pharmacist if you have any allergies, especially to factor IX products or latex. Also, let them know about your medical history, including any clotting disorders, recent surgeries, or liver disease. If you are planning to have surgery, it's important to let your doctor or dentist know about all the medications you are taking, including prescription drugs, non-prescription drugs, and herbal products. If you are pregnant, only use this medication if it is absolutely necessary, and discuss the risks and benefits with your doctor. It is also important to consult your doctor before breastfeeding, as it is unknown if this medication passes into breast milk. It's important to be aware of potential drug interactions with Benefix Kit, as they can affect how the medication works and increase the risk of serious side effects. Make sure to keep a list of all the products you use, including prescription and non-prescription drugs, as well as herbal products, and share it with your doctor and pharmacist. Do not start, stop, or change the dosage of any medicines without your doctor's approval. Some products that may interact with Benefix Kit include drugs that help with clotting, such as aminocaproic acid and tranexamic acid. Always consult with your healthcare provider before taking any new medications or changing your current regimen. If someone has taken too much of the medication and is experiencing severe symptoms such as fainting or difficulty breathing, it is important to seek immediate medical attention by calling 911 or a poison control center. In the U.S., residents can contact their local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222, while Canadian residents can reach out to a provincial poison control center for assistance. It is important not to share this medication with others. Your doctor may also recommend lab and/or medical tests, such as factor IX activity, while you are using this medication. Be sure to keep all medical and lab appointments and consult your doctor for more details. Make sure to take each dose of Benefix Kit as directed by your doctor. If you happen to miss a dose, consult with your doctor or pharmacist to establish a new dosing schedule. Do not take a double dose to make up for the missed one. Be sure to follow the product instructions and consult your pharmacist for details on how to store the Benefix Kit. Keep all medications out of reach of children and pets. Do not flush medications down the toilet or pour them into a drain unless specifically instructed. When the product is expired or no longer needed, make sure to properly dispose of it. You can consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for guidance on how to do this. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA, 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.